Tampa City Council has just voted to extend a grant that could be used for a controversial flood improvement project in the Parkland Estates neighborhood, which is just off South Howard Avenue.
Yeah, however, today City Council members learned the project that initially was projected to cost $65 million may cost more than $100 million. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson was at today's meeting, joins us now live with more. Jeff.
Good evening, Josh and Stacy. Well, today's vote by Tampa City Council was not the final go or no-go vote on the South Howard Avenue flood improvement project, but some people were hoping the project would die today.
During the busy hurricane season of 2024, the South Howard area suffered significant flooding, and some residents of the Parkland Estates neighborhood say they are still working to repair their homes and recover from that flooding.
Climate change is happening, and the storms and flooding is only getting worse.
Tina Adams says her home flooded, and she and many of her Parkland Estates neighbors say they need help.
We really do favor flood relief. We can find the necessary funds for what started as a $57 million project.
But what started as a $57 million project soon became a $65 million project, and it has now ballooned to a project that may cost more than $100 million. The project would run a large box culvert down Swan Avenue to Howard Avenue, flowing out into the bay. But many Howard Avenue business owners say the project will block traffic on Howard Avenue, and it will put them out of business.
For 2 weeks, you could make the argument we could endure, but three months just for our section and then 2 years for the whole street, it's just not practical.
So today, despite objection from South Howard business owners and some South Tampa residents, the City Council did vote to go forward to extend a grant application for up to $10 million from the state that can be used for this project. Josh?
So bottom line, Jeff, does it mean the South Howard Flood Relief Project will be built?
No, it doesn't. As a matter of fact, the city still doesn't know the final cost. Initially, it was presented to us and to City Council that it would cost $65 million. Now today, just today, city staff admitted the project may exceed $80 million. It may even exceed $100 million. They won't know the final cost until August or September, and at that time, the City Council can vote no on the project to go or not to go with it, and so we'll find out at that time.
Yeah, a lot of numbers to crunch, no doubt. Jeff Patterson live in Tampa for us. Jeff, thanks.